time, and it's streaming everywhere. It's just so crazy what happened the last, I don't know, week. I don't know what was going on and what was going on with Zoom. All right, guys, so we have no verdict yet for Richard Allen. What does it mean? A lot of people are getting scared. But a lot of people are getting scared. Are you scared? What does it mean? People think it means a hung jury. Well, I'll tell you, this jury is sequestered, which means they have not seen their families except when they're allowed to use their electronic devices to like FaceTime or whatever. But that's it. They want to get home to their families. They've been deliberating Thursday, now all day Friday, and if they don't deliver a verdict tomorrow, yeah, I would be afraid. Because is there one holdout? Is it just one person that's held out? Do they have a big split? Is this going to come back a hung jury? You know, I was ready to say no, they're going to say he's guilty and all, but now that we're Thursday, Friday, and now going into Saturday, and we don't have a verdict. But if by tomorrow night they do not have a verdict, I'd say that they have a problem. They have a problem. So we'll see what happens, okay? They could just be... Okay, so let's see. Take a quick poll here. All right. Okay. Will there be a verdict tomorrow for Richard Allen? Yes or no? What's going to be, girl? Yes or no? Okay. That was Meatloaf. All right, now, for all of the baby boomers that are here, can't really relate to you guys. No. Sorry, everybody's got to answer the verdict question. 71% right now are saying that yes, there's going to be a verdict tomorrow. I don't know. You think so, but you wonder if they could go till Monday. Oh my gosh, is the food that good? Are the perks that good? Scooter, a baby boomer, can you answer and tell us if you think there'll be a verdict tomorrow? Scooter, will there be a verdict tomorrow? Are you worried? Weigh in on this, please. We know you live in the state. Laura. I wonder if Laura's around. We're going to talk about Kim Porter's associate. Tell the grand jury about Sean P. Diddy Combs' tapes, and what he's doing in those tapes is not good, allegedly. And a Pennsylvania man who killed his girlfriend over a bad haircut. You wonder if the jurors are in good accommodations. What do you think? It's cushy, like, hey, let's go to the pool tonight. Jacuzzi's good, and you know, we have all I don't know what's up or where they are, what they're doing. Maybe they're, I don't know, getting a break. Who knows? Maybe they're not in a rush to get home. I don't know. Maybe some of them live alone and then they're having the time of their life. I don't know. I don't know the jurors' personal lives. I don't know how good their marriages are, or whether they have a marriage at all, or whether they're on, I don't know. I wonder if any jurors have ever fallen in love. Do you think there's, I do, I think there's jurors that have fallen in love. Do you think there's jurors that have fallen in love? Those people in that area are different in some ways, so I don't know. I just hope they use their common sense. Different in some ways. I'm trying to, I think I'm picking up what you're putting down, but I'm just not sure since you're a boomer and I'm of a different generation, but anyway, I was just thinking about something. Okay, now I've got it. You say, man, there is no shortage of idiot groups. Yeah, there's no shortage of them. Why don't we talk about which one should we do first? Tell me which one you want to do first. This will be an interactive. You know how they say, I'll never forget when they said people could pick like they could watch whether it's a computer game or something, and then pick a different way and the game will go somewhere else. And I thought like, oh, that's so crazy because it's just going to go to something. But now look, this is going to make this interactive. You can choose the direction of this live stream. Should we look at Kim Porter's associate or the Pennsylvania man who kills the girlfriend over the bad haircut? Put it in the chat what you want to go to, and the majority will win. Kevin says man kills girlfriend over bad haircut. That's one. Well, looks like Kevin's winning. You know what? I've got to make Ethan's favorite pumpkin cookies. I don't know where this fall has gone by so fast because I've usually made them 1 or 2 times by now. I don't know what's going on, but time is just flying freaking by. And yeah. Sounds good. Kevin's winning. You never understood Bundy. Did you see Bundy like Ted Bundy? You never understood Bundy's groupies. The man was boneyard ugly, short, but he had a following. Do you think Ted Bundy was ugly, UHP? I don't think he was ugly. Do you think he was ugly? Do people think Ted Bundy was ugly? I don't think he was ugly. I don't think he was ugly, UHP. Let's be real. I mean, I think that's what kind of, even the judge, remember the judge said like to him, you could have been so much, you have the ability to be so much, and this is what you chose, it's just crazy. Oh, look at Debbie kissing up to UHP. All right, so we're going to go to the boyfriend with the bad haircut. Okay. Benjamin Garcia Gual. This man right here. Okay, so he fatally stabbed his girlfriend in a wild attack, and it was sparked because he hated her new haircut. He was arrested and charged with the murder of Carmen Martinez Silva on Sunday afternoon after he allegedly hunted her down at her brother's house in East Hempfield Township in Lancaster County. Gual, 49, allegedly knifed his 50-year-old girlfriend because he was upset that she cut her hair. And that is according to the victim's daughter, that she told that to police and to the court documents. Unbelievable. Let me see something here. Okay, so let's look at what happened. Police were called to the 2900 block of Dell Lane in East Hempfield Township around 1:40 p.m., where they found Carmen Martinez Silva dead. Where was she dead? In the front yard. Coroner's office ruled the death a homicide. From stab wounds to her body, she was pronounced dead at the scene at 3:41 p.m. According to the affidavit of probable cause, Carmen Martinez Silva's daughter, Yamaris Knight, told police that Gual stabbed her mother because he was upset that she cut her hair. Yamaris said that her mother told her that Gual threatened to stab her over the haircut. Martinez Silva spent the night at her daughter's house because she was scared of Gual and his threats. Carmen Martinez Silva left her daughter's house around 8:21 a.m. and went to see her brother, Luis Martinez Silva, at his house on Dell Lane. Police say a witness, Hector Burgos, said Carmen Martinez Silva contacted him and told him to go to her home at 2696 Scenic Drive to tell Gual their relationship is over and to instruct him to remove his belongings from their home. But according to the affidavit, Burgos said he couldn't find Gual at the mobile home. Instead, Gual then came to the brother's house on Dell Lane. The brother initially told him Carmen was not there, even though she was inside the house. He was trying to protect her. Gual left, but returned a few minutes later and stabbed the brother, who had answered the door. The brother received wounds to the base of his head, chest, and abdomen, and lacerations to his arm. He was taken to Lancaster General Hospital and is expected to survive. Burgos told police that Carmen Martinez Silva tried to pull Gual away from her brother, but then he started stabbing her. Gual swung the knife towards him but missed. Another person at the scene, Adrian Valentin, told police he was instructed to grab a gun when he arrived to help, but Gual swung the knife at him and missed. Gual was taken to Lancaster General Hospital with lacerations. Someone called 911 to report the stabbings and said the suspect was still at the scene with a knife in hand. When the officers arrived, they found Gual in a Toyota Corolla with a knife on the passenger seat with brownish red staining. Court records show he's being held in the Lancaster County Prison without bail. I don't know if they mean prison or jail. Okay. crazy. Over a bad haircut. Unbelievable. Murder is not the answer. How many times we have to say it, I can't even understand. Murder is not the answer. Okay, now let's talk about Kim Porter, P. Diddy Combs. Let's get... there we go. All right. All right, so let's get to this now. We'll hear about this. I mean, there's so much controversy around whether there was a Kim Porter book or not. Remember that? And now... let me see stuff here. Hang on. All right. So a man who reportedly told the New York grand jury last week that he viewed the video footage of Sean Diddy Combs, and what the footage showed was Combs victimizing at least 2 child celebrities. And he's been asked to provide more testimony. Lawyer Ariel Mitchell told News Nation's Ashley Banfield that Sean Diddy Combs' legal team is pissed by testimony. Oh my gosh, I think Diddy just did something to my computer. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. I've got to pull over here because I think Diddy... I don't know what Diddy's doing here. All right, so the lawyers told Banfield that Sean Diddy Combs' legal team is pissed by the testimony provided by her client named Courtney Burgess. Courtney Burgess testified that Sean Combs' ex-girlfriend Kim Porter gave him 11 flash drives showing Sean Diddy Combs essaying at least 8 celebrities, including 2 or 3 male child stars. Burgess was reportedly working in Georgia for Porter, who had 3 children with Sean Diddy Combs before she died in 2018. It's unclear why she gave Burgess the tapes, which Burgess says he no longer has. Burgess previously told Ashley Banfield that every celebrity in those illicit videos appeared inebriated. We truly believe that Sean Combs is aware that the things that Courtney has talked about and the things that were on the flash drive were definitely real events. That's the last thing that Combs would like out about him. Combs' legal team sought home detention with GPS monitoring. In exchange, they offered to post $50 million bail and to use Combs' home as collateral. The government has proven the defendant is a danger. The bail package is insufficient, even on the risk of flight, said Carter when denying Combs bail a second time. Let's see. In May, a video surfaced showing Sean Combs assaulting Cassie Ventura at a California hotel in 2016. And after the video was released, Sean put out a video expressing remorse for his behavior. The apology, the video is mentioned in the criminal charges filed against Combs. 2 more accusers came forward a week after Ventura's lawsuit. One of the women claimed that Combs drugged her and ard her at Syracuse University. In 1991, Combs denied those allegations before a third accuser, Liza Gardner, levied similar allegations against him. In that case, Gardner claims that Sean and Aaron Hall drugged and a'd her and a friend following an Uptown Records event in 1990. Gardner said she was 16 at the time of the incident. She also accused Combs of choking her a day after the assault. Days after the footage of the 2016 assault was publicized, 2 more women filed lawsuits against Combs. One of them, April Lampros, is a New York Fashion Institute of Technology student who met Combs in 1994. Lampros accused Combs of essaying her on 4 instances between the mid-90s and early 2000s. Lampros claimed that Combs promised to mentor her and connect her with executives in the fashion industry. Instead, he allegedly forced her to drink something before R-ing her in a hotel room. Lampros recalled another instance in which Combs forced her to perform oral relations on her in a parking garage while a parking attendant watched. Sean Combs has been accused of committing or facilitating SA in at least 27 lawsuits, and he has denied those allegations. His federal trial is set to begin in May. Okay, so that is that, and then let's go quickly to a couple of other stories. These 2 right here. An Arkansas couple has been charged with more than 100 felony child abuse counts after police found a 15-year-old boy naked and locked in the bathroom in their apartment with a ratchet strap. Mountain View police were called to the apartment Saturday afternoon after a 911 call reported cries for help coming from an upstairs apartment. Officers responded to the caller's apartment and could hear the boy talking from the master bedroom, saying he was trapped in the bathroom and could not get out. The neighbors downstairs, they could hear something going on upstairs, and they could hear a child in there asking for help. An officer arrived and went into their apartment. They brought him back there, and he could hear the child in there. So he went upstairs to investigate, knocked on the door, and the only ones that answered the door were a 10 and an 11-year-old that were in the house. The children said their parents were at work and they couldn't imagine who might be trapped in the bathroom. The officer found a ratchet strap attached to a bedpost and bathroom door, and when he removed the strap, he found the teen naked inside. The boy said his mother had put him in the bathroom on Friday. The 2 younger children then admitted the 15-year-old sleeps on a pallet in the bathroom while they sleep on bunk beds in a bedroom. Police took the parents, 40-year-old Daniel Allen Wright and 42-year-old Jacqueline Michelle Barnett. Oh, look, that's another Michelle that spells it like that other lady that had all those kids and did those videos, in for questioning. And initially they said they didn't know how the boy got locked in the bathroom, and they suggested it might have been the children playing. But when the 2 younger children were unable to properly use the ratchet strap, the parents said the ratchet strap was used to keep the children out of the bathroom because of a leaky faucet. The teenager, however, told investigators that he does not have a bedroom and that he only eats at school. School attendance records show that he's only attended school 112 days since January. Further investigation uncovered 29 cases of maltreatment that were open since 2013 involving the boy. Those cases involved inadequate supervision, failure to provide food, failure to provide essential needs, extreme or repeated cruelty, and failure to protect. The cases were opened after the Arkansas Department of Human Services Child Abuse Hotline received calls from mandated reporter and anonymous callers. That's ridiculous. 29 calls and they did nothing. And these lunatics, these loonies, go and destroy another kid. Oh my gosh. The cases were opened after the Arkansas Department of Human Services Child Abuse Hotline received calls from mandated reporters and anonymous calls. Day told Ozarks first that the downstairs neighbors who called in on the boys' cries were heroes. The investigator couldn't explain how the previous calls from the boy hadn't led to any charges. We all failed this kid as a whole. We all failed him. The boy has been removed from the home. He didn't say if the other two children remained. If they leave the other two children, well. Barnett and Wright have been charged with 112 counts of false imprisonment and 1 count each of endangering the welfare of a minor and permitting the abuse of a minor. Both were given $50,000 bonds. Wright posted his and was released, while Barnett remains behind bars. Really, Barnett? Let's find out a little bit about you two, Jacqueline Michelle Barnett. Let me see. Jacqueline. Jacqueline Barnett. Let's see. All right, let's see. Here's the roster for her. Arkansas couple charged, Mountain Home couple arrested for keeping boy locked. Oh boy. Boy locked in bathroom turned over to DHS. Let's see what this says. Okay. Arrested for keeping the boy locked in the bathroom are 41-year-old Jacqueline Michelle Barnett and 40-year-old Daniel Allen Wright. The boy refers to the couple as his mother and stepfather, but police say that Barnett is actually his legal guardian. Each were charged with 112 counts of first-degree false imprisonment, along with 1 count each of endangering the welfare of a minor and permitting abuse of a minor. Barnett is still being held in the Baxter County Detention Center on bonds totaling $50,000. Wright is free after posting a $50,000 bond. In the probable cause affidavit, it was noted that since 2013, 29 cases of maltreatment have been opened involving the victim. These cases include maltreatment, inadequate supervision, failure to provide food, failure to provide essential needs, extreme or repeated cruelty, and failure to protect. They were opened up after calls were made by mandated reporters and anonymous callers to the Arkansas Department of Human Services Child Abuse Hotline. Okay, so, wow, that's what we got there, guys. Now let's see, I'm going to go back to that poll there on Delphi. Do you think there will be a verdict tomorrow for Richard Allen? 65% say yes, 35% say no. All right. And we're back to November 24th of 2023 on here. Let's see what everybody's saying. Oh, please hit the thumbs up. Save some chicken wings. Who's having chicken wings? Scooter, yes ma'am, it was my CO. You didn't hear that from me. Wait, what is going on over here? What are this talking about? Let's see. Were you thinking of a different one? Okay. Scooter, it probably had a lot to do with charges. I don't want inmate, including myself, that liked him. Wait, oh, Bundy wasn't ugly. Bundy wasn't ugly. Okay, Scooter, it probably had a lot to do with the charges. I don't want inmate, including myself, that liked him. Scooter, fun fact, it was women that hit the switch on him. Scooter, yes ma'am, it was my CO. You didn't hear that from me. Sergeant Tifton, all black bag sort stuffs. SP, now you know a real secret. And now the internet does too, UHP. UHP, haha, oh I know. If they turn up missing, I haven't seen a dang thing. Okay, so that's a secret. Do you want to know a secret? Okay, I'm tired. What time is it? 3 o'clock in the morning. And tomorrow's Saturday. I've got to do so much work. I've got to do so much work. Every day I say I'm going to finish packing up this stuff. And every day something else is going on. It's been brutal, but priorities is just, I've had other things that have taken my time away. It's the way it is. I don't even know what the heck I was doing today all day. Crazy things. Okay. I am a gleeful, very good. Elf on the shelf. Come here. tried luge. Lawyer. Yeah, right. Precedent setting case. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Okay. Lawsuit. Yeah, it's right there. You forgot precedent setting case, Debbie. Precedent setting case. Hero. Is hero there? What is it that you have, Scooter? Frivolous? No, I don't think frivolous is there. It might be... Yeah. Good try. Fell. Like fell through, right? Depositions. Yep. Not there. Almost. Vogue. Golf? Yeah. Got it. We got it. Want to play one more? We don't know what could be there. Let's see. Try to get the words. Let's see. Settlement. No settlement here. Not at all. Avail. There we go. There we got one. Lint. There we got another one. Lint. Anvil. Yeah. Anvil. No, I thought I had that. Yeah. VIN number, VIN number, VIN number. Plaintiffs? None here. No plaintiffs. Oh, this is hard, huh? Do you see anything else, Scooter? Liars? You're not getting any words tonight, I know. Liars? Nope. Nope. Ain't? No. Hey, punk rocker. You have any other words there? Navel? Vanet? No. A veil? I thought I have a veil. I do have a veil. Natal, that's a good one. One more. Alan, hi, Justina. Nope. Hey there. Hey there, punk rocker. How you doing? Avion? We did it. We did it. We're gonna have an advancement. Don't we get an advancement now? They don't even make a big deal about our advancement, but we always have to play the one. Zen punk rockery, that's a good extra word. 10. 10. Copyright false. Lies, fraud, real. Lies. Nope. Good night, Justina. Oh, you're saying night. Oh, okay. Legitimate? Justice. Oh, it's almost there. You got the, you almost had it. You had the TICE. Justice, right. It's almost there. ZINE. Okay, Zine. Yep, it's an extra word. Citizen. Very good, Gail. Very good, Gail. Zinc. Zinc. Okay, we did it. We did it, all those words. Legit, right? Yeah, well, we'll do some more tomorrow. Thank you guys so much. God bless. Prayers. See you tomorrow, everybody. Good night. See you later. Bye.